How's it going, YouTube? Spec M Auto is back with another video today. I am not 100% sure at the time of filming this clip if it's going to be a small vlog or if it's going to be a full-fledged video. But I will tell you what I have planned currently. So, you guys remember when I repainted the cowling on my car, right? That black plastic piece that goes across the bottom of my windshield. Y'all remember I broke like one or two little clips on there. So I'm going to the junkyard today, and I have a few things I'm going to pick up, including that. I'm going to be picking up some female or male connectors, probably both, for speakers, because I have a set of skull-shaped speakers with eyes that glow red to the music, and I don't want to butcher any of the wiring in my car. So instead, I'm going to take wiring harnesses for the speaker from the door and the speaker, both, in case I need one or the other. I just might as well have both, right? So I got a pair of wire clippers with me. I'm gonna snip some wires off of a car at the junkyard for speaker wiring, so I could use for the speakers. So I don't have to butcher anything in this vehicle, because I resort to sometimes people have to resort to butchering wires in their own cars, and that's something I don't want to do. So I'm going to be a little innovative here. I'm going to use some OEM wiring harnesses from another Honda Civic and implement it into this, so I'm not cutting or splicing anything in this car. So I can literally make it to where the speakers are plug and play with the OEM wire harnesses in my doors. I'm also going to be picking up on my driver's side windshield wiper arm on my gray car. I have that missing. That piece is missing on that car, so I'm also going to go get that while I'm there. And of course, I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'm going to show you guys, you know, the whole deal. I mean, there might be some parts I might not film, but I'm going to try to film everything I can. I mean, I don't have a tripod with me today. All I have is me, my phone, my driver's license, obviously, and my tools. So, alrighty guys, let's hustle our way to the junkyard and let's get this stuff done. Alrighty guys, we made it to the junkyard. Gotta have a mask on to get in, so that's why I'm wearing my mask. Alrighty guys, so let's go on in now. Alrighty guys, we're looking for row 51, row 35, so we got about 15 rows to go or something like that, because they just recently got another Honda Civic in. I think it was like October 30th or something. It's like November 6th or 7th now or something like that, so it's only been about a week. So I'm hoping it's still pretty fresh on parts. Hopefully no one has tore it up too bad yet. One way to find out, right? Oh, here's that Hyundai Sonata I never filmed in my last walk around video. Sorry guys, I forgot. Okay guys, we reached row 51, and here's the car I was looking for. Ooh man, this thing's wrecked. It looks better in the picture. Sit that bitch down. Alright, so here's one part we need right off the bat, is this bad boy here. Something about this one looks different, though. Actually, it's not different. It's the same. Never mind. I'm just being stupid. But there's the wiper arm cover piece that I need. Next on my shopping list is the speaker wiring for this car. There's actually another Honda Civic just over yonder. It's silver. I might actually get the speaker stuff out of that one, because one of the door panels is already off, and that'll save me work. But I guess we can take a look around at this one real quick and check out what we need. I can already tell you I probably won't be able to get the plastic tabs out of this one, because this one's just trashed. I mean, I can double check anyway just to make sure, but well, maybe they are savable. Where's that hood prop? Oh crap, there's no hood prop on this. I hope that doesn't fall. Okay. Yeah, these tabs appear to be pretty healthy, so that's the good news. So maybe I can take them off this car. I only need like one or two tabs. I might just go ahead and get two for the heck of it, just to be safe. So we're gonna go ahead and get this little screwdriver thing out. Actually, wait a minute, I don't need this one. I got a better one in my pocket. Forgot I brought this. Alright, so now we're just gonna take it and try to carefully pry it out and not break it again. We don't need to break another tab. Come on. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, shit. Yes. Came out one piece. Perfect. And I just need one more. And it's this middle one here. I gotta watch this crash bar. I don't want to get myself scratched up on it. It's this little middle one here. Let's try to wiggle it out nice and easy. These tabs actually look newer. I don't understand it, because this car is a 2008. It should be older than the tabs in my car. Could be wrong, no. It's okay. I'm gonna try something real quick. It requires two hands. Just give me a sec. Alright guys, so I guess that didn't work out so good. That middle tab, I don't know what happened to it. I think it got lost. Don't ask me how. I'm very good at losing shit. That's fine. Like I mentioned a minute ago, there's a silver Civic over here, so we can just go take a look at it. This one also looks pretty fresh with parts. So hopefully nobody's tore too much shit up on it, and hopefully it ain't too dirty. Alright guys, of course, to my luck, there are absolutely no tabs on this one, so I'm SLL on this one with the tabs, but we can still take parts off this car, and we're going to be starting with the speaker wires now. So basically what I got planned is I'm going to take these door panels off on the front, well, door panel, because that one's already gone. So over there I can really just take the speaker out, cut the wires I need, and just fuck the rest of it. Take the door panel off on this side, repeat the process. Then we can hop in the back here. Oh shit, hello. Did not expect that today. Anyway, we're gonna go back here. We're gonna unhook these speakers. So then we will go in here after they're unplugged. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna get these stupid headrests out of the way because they're gonna be annoying. And after that, we're gonna pop these speaker covers off in the back. And at that point, I'll unscrew the speakers, take the speakers out, and cut the wires I need. I would film this whole thing, but I don't really think I can film all of it because, like I said earlier, I do not have a tripod with me. And I don't have any other person with me to hold the camera, because if you could see all around here, I'm by myself. So that kind of sucks, but that's fine. No big deal. We'll work through this. Work through this together. Get this nasty format out of here. We don't need that. And then, oh look, this one's a stick. Heck yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's get down to business. Alright, now we'll come over here. Looks like, luckily for us, these Honda speakers only have one screw. So we're just gonna take our Phillips and just unscrew this bad boy out. We're not purchasing the speaker or anything. We don't need the actual speaker, but we do need wiring and stuff, so that's what we're here for. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out, just like that. Damn, that's a long screw. See how long this thing is? Anyway, let's go ahead and try to get the speaker out of here. I don't know how these things are assembled, so we're gonna have to figure this out together. There's something, I don't know, it's not moving. Let me figure this out. Alright, so I figured this out. All I had to do is stick the screwdriver in the hole, wiggle it around, and it just popped right out. So it was just kind of sticky. Looks like I broke a tab, but that's fine. I don't need a speaker. Alrighty guys, so what I did was pretty self-explanatory. Speaker is right here. I just kind of snaked my wire cutter in here, did the old snip routine, and the speaker fell right out. So now we got the wiring here. We're gonna try to figure this out. I was really hoping that I could do some sort of thing where I can just hook my aftermarket speakers to the OEM stuff right here. So like, I like how this is in the door and this plugs into the female here. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way I can get these female connectors so I can just plug and play my aftermarket speakers so I don't have to butcher anything in my car. That's why I came here and butchered these junk cars instead, you know. Alrighty guys, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update real quick. So I did get the wire connector out, and I know some of you people that are sensitive about this kind of stuff might be a little angry, but it required me to literally butcher the speaker to get this female connector because, you know, I need to make sure it has that OEM connection. I don't want it to have that, you know, I don't want to cut wires or anything in my car. So now I figured, you know, these speakers are blown anyway. Nobody really has a desire for OEM speakers, you know, especially ones that are blown. So I just went ahead and cut the speaker cone out and get to get these wiring pieces, and I also cut the plastic part around the speaker off to get that female connector out. I went ahead and took the male connector too. I mean, I don't know. I usually prefer having extra parts that I'm not going to use versus not having enough parts. And now we're back at this blue car again because the driver front speaker on that silver car was changed out with a freaking aftermarket kicker speaker. Damn it. Sorry guys, the focus was fucked up. Anyway, that silver car had a aftermarket kicker speaker on that side and it wasn't even wired up. So obviously aftermarket speakers are not going to have that female connector, so I just said, yeah, screw it, I'm going to come back to this one. So now we're back at this one. We're going to get ready to take this door panel off again, which is not bad. It literally takes like maybe 30 seconds to take this thing off, if that. So let's get this thing off real quick and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. Sorry for all the glare, guys. I know it's sunny out and the sun's in the worst spot. So we got a screw in this door handle here. We just stick our screwdriver up in there. Guys, get a view. There we go. Then we just take it out. There we go. It's out. Now we're gonna take out this screw down here. Normally you would have to pop your window control panel off, and then that's where you get access to your screw there. So now you just stick your Phillips in here and just turn left, and the old lefty loosey routine. Come on. There we go. Man, this is such a pain in the ass. Let me switch hands real quick. Okay. My dominant hand is my left hand. I'm left-handed, so it's easier doing it this way. Okay, so now we just take our screw out. There we go. And now everything else should just be popped off by clips. So let's go ahead and start feeling around the edge here. Start popping them out. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. It's such a bitch. So, sorry for the slightly shitty view. Okay. That should be good. Alrighty, so now the door panel's off again, and this is back where we were. You guys saw the process of me unscrewing in the last one and taking it out, so I'll leave you guys here for a sec. Okay guys, so I figured before I start butchering up this speaker, I'll show you guys exactly what I did with the other one on the silver car. So you got your speaker, you go back here, you can take this connector off for a second so I can kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so basically I took this these little parts where the wire goes, I cut the cone to where I can just pull the wires out. And then you also go back here, see where these like little 2 tabs are. I took my cutter and cut these out, and then I cut right just behind this back side too, so I was able to pull it out, and that's how I'm able to get it like this. So unfortunately I have to butcher some speakers, but the good news is they're all junk, so it doesn't make a bit of a difference. Alrighty guys, so now I'm in the back seat. I popped these headrests out so I can go ahead and just easily get back in here and try to get these speaker covers popped out. Should be just a few little tabs. Oh, there we go. And easy as that, we're right there. Right, next one. Over to this side, switch hands real quick. Try to do this without damaging anything. It's the last thing I want to do. Come on. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Boom. Okay, now they're both out. Let's get these speakers out. Alright, so in terms of doing the wiring for the speakers, I got it all done. And as you can see, I got all the female and male connectors just in case I need one or the other for something else. Anyway, I also took the little bit of time to label them. As you can see, there's DF, driver front. And then you see PF for passenger front, PR for passenger rear, and DR for driver rear. I know it probably doesn't matter technically, but with this with car stuff, I'm very OCD, and I like to make sure things go where they originally came from. So that's the purpose of that, is just mostly for my OCD-ness and that satisfaction I get out of it. So, alright, let's hunt down another Civic and see if I can find the plastic tab I need for the cowling. I got one, but I need one more at least. Okay guys, this is going to conclude part 1 of 2 of this little mini vlog series, I guess you can call it, for these speakers I'm going to be doing for my Civic. So please leave a like, share the video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell icon, and yeah, you know the routine. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See y'all in part 2.